Hi, this is Steve Westmark, Remax. Well, through the years, I've seen changes happening how we market homes. And more, we're seeing that the visual types of things that are put to the marketplace have become more and more important in real estate sales. So as I meet with sellers and talk to them about how we're going to market their home, I share with them about the different types of photography that are needed, and they choose from 1, 2, or maybe even 3 of the 5 that I'm going to share with you. The first one I'm going to talk about is just the architectural photography, and that's dealing with the interior, exterior, landscaping, panoramics, maybe even dealing with sunset exposures with a professional camera. And photographers know what they're doing and how to get the lighting right, so that when your buyers come to look at the property on the internet, they're seeing phenomenal pictures that cause them to want to come and see your property. The second one I'm going to talk about is aerial photography. That has become so important today with drones becoming more and more available. And you'll see that there's now photography of properties with swimming pools in the back, or acreage, or farms. And you'll see not only still photography, but also video photography. The third thing you'll see is what we call the virtual tour, that is really still pictures, but it's set to music and they fade in and fade out with photos. And you'll see that as on this video that we're showing you of the still photography video, but buyers like that to be able to watch it and to have a little bit of control of what they're looking at as they're touring the property. The fourth one is video photography. And now you can find video, and the video you'll see is a video that I had done of a farm that we had out west. But you also can do video photography both inside and outside. The downside of video that I find is the buyer or the consumer that's looking doesn't get to control as much as they can with still photography. But it's still a wonderful thing to be able to have. And the fifth one that has become very, very interesting is what's called 360-degree photography. And that is a place where you almost get a three-dimensional feel with a floor plan of the property, with a 360 that will show you how you can look up to the ceiling, look to the walls, to the sides, and walk yourself through the property and see what the property looks at. And you're kind of in control of your own tour, but you can walk from room to room. Well, I look forward to talking to you when you're trying to decide, as you put your house in the market, what type of photography are you going to want to be using, because we want your house to shine. I tell people, when the house is ready to go on the market, it's like the bride being ready to walk down the aisle. And that's how we want your house to be. We want it to be stunning and ready for showtime. Well, thanks so much for watching, and make it a great day.